Hello everybody, I hope you're still having a wonderful day. We're going to be looking at question number 20 in this video. Question 20 on the grade 10 Cayley paper that we've been doing this week, the 2006 paper to be exact. Okay, so question 20, please, if you haven't already, download a copy of the contest. Try this one out for yourself. The copy of the contest can be found very first link in the description. But the 18, 19, 20, these are the hard ones in B, and then we're moving into 21, 22, and so forth. So do try these questions. These are the ones that can really get you on the contest when you try it this year. Anyway, so question 20, the line y equals -3/4 x plus 9 crosses the x-axis at P and the y-axis at Q. Well, knowing the equation for the line, I can figure out coordinates for P and Q, and that's the first thing that pops into my head. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to actually read the rest of the question so I know where I'm going with this, because maybe I don't need to solve for P and Q. Point T, which is at RS, is on the line segment, so -3/4 R plus 9 is equal to S. If the area of POQ, which I note is right angled, is 3 times the area of TOP, not quite right angled, but does share the same base, then the value of R plus S is. Okay, so I think I can do this without solving for P, and I think I'm going to show you how here. So let's draw our picture. So we've got T is at RS. P, I don't actually care where it is, but I think it's at 12. 12, just doing that in my head. Q, however, Q is the y-intercept. So Q we can tell from our equation, y equals -3/4x plus 9. Q is going to be at 0, 9. And this, I think I actually need this fact. Okay. So the 9 here is the height of my triangle. Now I don't actually care what the base is. I'm just going to call it P. P is the base. As I said, I'm pretty sure it's 12. 12/4 is 3 times -3 is -9 plus 9 is 0. So yeah, it is going to be 12, 0. I'll add that in, but I didn't need to know that. As long as I call this base P, I know the height here for this triangle is going to be the y-coordinate S. So now, triangle POQ is 1/2 base times height. This is 9/2 P. And triangle TOP, it has the same base. So base times height, we get S over 2P. Now, we don't have R. Well, as soon as I know S, I can solve for it with this equation. I can solve for R with the equation. And how do I get S? Well, remember, POQ, they told us, has 3 times the area of TOP. So that means 9/2P is 3 times S over 2P. Divide by P on both sides, multiply by 2 on both sides, we get 9 is 3S. And this is why I didn't need to know that base P. Doesn't actually matter. It's extra steps that we didn't have to do. From there, S is equal to 3. Hurrah! Okay, well, we want S plus R. Okay, that's what they're asking for, R plus S. So, I know that T has got to be on the line, so S is equal to -3/4 R plus 9. S is 3. So I could multiply through by 4. I'll get 12 is -3R plus 36. Bring the 36 over to the other side. We get -24 is -3R. R is going to have to be 8. So R plus S is just 8 plus 3, which is 11. So 11 is going to be our final answer, and that's C. And that wraps up question 20 quite nicely and leads us into the part C questions. And we'll be starting with those in the next video with question 21. So thank you as always, guys, for watching, and have a wonderful day.